Hi, ladies. Welcome to another episode of Let's Talk All Things Women. I hope you like my hat, talking about all things women. I will be wearing this beauty all summer. This is my look. This is what you're going to see. I am trying to take care of myself and my skin as I age, and as much as I love the sun, everything in moderation. And so I'm trying to protect my face a little bit. Anyway, today's topic, be yourself. Be yourself. And use that as your key to leadership. A long time ago, I started talking about, way back, like 3 years ago, I started talking about being a happy warrior, and that is what the world needs, is happy warriors. And when I say that, that is me being true to myself. That's me identifying what it is I want to be like. And it's kind of like a ray of sunshine. I try to meet people and give them bursts of two things: positive energy and calm. Positive energy and calm. And actually, on a side note, I just recorded the Yoga Vine Bliss with Jill for this coming Monday, and it is a beautiful, calming 10-minute practice. So keep in mind, 10 minutes of yoga is better than no minutes of yoga. And this one is awesome for all levels. It really gave, I don't know how to describe it except that it gave my nervous system a deep breath and a beautiful exhale. That's what it felt like. The whole body just calmed down. And when you give your body time to do that, you have moments of clarity. And in those moments of clarity, you can reconnect with who you want to be. And that's when this isn't the topic I was going to do. I wasn't going to talk about the importance of being yourself and how to use that in leadership, or how that is leadership, sorry. But it came to me in that moment of clarity today in yoga that we really need that. And I thought, you know what? If the world needs more happy warriors, beads of sunshine, that's what I'm going to talk about, because in the Northern Hemisphere, it's summer. So it is timed perfectly with the season to talk about the sun and the power and to shine your light. I was just talking to a friend of mine, and she was talking about going to a wedding shower. And at this wedding shower, the woman who is being married has different cultural expectations than I did when I got married. And when I got married at the bridal shower, you opened all of your gifts in front of everybody, right? Like, that's what you did. And it's kind of awkward, but women around you get excited, and so you do it. And this woman who's getting married and whose bridal shower it is today, they don't do that. It's more private. You take the gifts and you open them in the quiet of your home. And rather than holding true to what she was comfortable with, right? She agreed to open the gifts at the bridal shower in front of her new family, which is totally normal and something 99% of us would have done, because she wants to create peace with her new family, and her new mother-in-law is hosting this beautiful experience for her. So she wants to do or follow the expectations of what the family she's marrying into has. And although that's really nice and great, and I support taking other people's feelings and expectations into consideration, I just wanted to create an intentional interruption with this woman and have her just think of what her experience of this one-time event in her life will have. If she opens the gifts, what does that look like and feel like and sound like? And what does it look like and feel like and sound like if she doesn't open the gifts? And creating that intentional interruption allows her to choose the decision that is right for her. And then it becomes herself. She's allowed to be herself because she can own that decision. Whether it is, no, it feels good to do this for my mother-in-law. I am going to open the gifts in front of everyone. Or she sits with it and she's like, no, I just can't. Either way, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you choose as long as you're the one making the decision. And once you create a habit of intentionally interrupting yourself before saying yes or no, you become you. With every answer and decision you make, you become more yourself. You start to own your life again. And you end up living more authentically. And you know what happens? You become a happy warrior. You become that sunshine, that light. Because when you are true to yourself, you lead life in a positive light. I might use that quote. Anyway, that's my talk or my share for today. Ladies, be yourself. Ladies, be yourself. That is the first step to authentic leadership. You want people to like you. You want people to love you. You want people to follow this movement or big idea you have. Be yourself. Your idea comes across authentic, and they'll do it. They'll help you. The energy of a collective is more powerful when it is inspired by someone who is being themselves. That's it. That's all I got for you today. So be you. We need you. Peace, sisters.